Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Working with LLMs, APIs and Practical Applications. Imagine a super smart parrot that can read tons of books and then talk about anything you ask it. That's basically a large language model, LLM. It's a computer program trained on massive amounts of text data to understand and generate human-like text. Think of an API, Application Programming Interface, as a waiter at a restaurant. Your program, send your order, a request to the LLM, through the waiter, and the waiter brings you back the LLM's response. Like your meal, no need to know the kitchen's secrets. How the LLM works internally. Let's say you want the LLM to summarize a news article. You'd send the article text to the LLM's API. The API sends it to the LLM, which processes it and sends back a concise summary. We'll show you code examples. Several companies offer LLM APIs, like OpenAI, with GPT models, and Google AI. Each has its own strengths and pricing. We'll compare a few. The way you ask the LLM for information is crucial. A good prompt is like asking a clear question, while a bad prompt is like giving confusing instructions. We'll explore techniques for crafting effective prompts. LLMs are perfect for building chatbots. They can understand and respond to user questions, making customer service or interactive games much easier to create. Imagine automatically summarizing long reports or news articles. LLMs can save you tons of time by doing this quickly and accurately. LLMs are powerful, but they can also generate biased or incorrect information. We need to be aware of these limitations and use them responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.